What's up, guys? It's NES Man back today with a package to unbox, and you can't see who sent it to me because of the angry outlet, the messy angry outlet. But 405080 was kind enough to send this to me for my birthday. I sent him stuff as well that you'll see on his channel in a video that he's uploading. He's right here right now.
Hi.
The ominous hi.
It's 405080.
Yeah. Anyway, so let's get into the video. So, here we are. I got the box all opened up. Let's get rid of this. I'm sure that looked kind of crazy flying right at the camera on the iPad, but so let's grab our first devices. We have a nope, I grabbed two. Our first device is a SpectraLert Advance HR horn. So, I don't know if you can see that there, but just open it up. It's packaged the usual system sensor packaging, all nice and neat. Here's the device. So, yeah, believe it or not, this is my first new in-box SpectraLert Advance. I have one used P2W at the moment.
If you want to, see me open that same Advance, there's a video on my channel of when I first got those.
Yeah. And, I'm not gonna let you advertise your channel in this video because you cut out. No, I'm kidding. You'll see in this video what I'm talking about. So there's our first device, and we have our second device. This happens to be a P2R, the Hornstrobe version of that. So if we open this up, you can see we have the Hornstrobe. I'm not going to go and pull that out the whole way, because most of you, I assume, know what a P2R is. Hopefully. So let's just close that up. And there we go. So those are our first two devices. So thank you for those.
You're welcome.
Here we go. We have this is something small. It's pretty cool. It's a Simplex end-of-line resistor plate. So it's not a diode plate like what you thought you sent, but it's still really cool. So yeah, that'll be cool. I don't know. I might use it on my system. And it appears we have a diode plate. So flip that up.
I accidentally sent you all of the
Dang.
diode plates. I'm kind of sad, but
Yeah.
I wasn't really going to use them, I don't think.
And we have a second diode plate. I'm actually going to use the diode plates. Those will be really handy. And they have the older Simplex logo on them. So yeah, that's really cool. But of course, we got more devices in here. So we go to our next one. Let's do this one. Open it up. Kind of an odd shape. See, we have a Potter OSY-SU. And this is like a flow switch.
I think it's a tamper switch.
Like a tamper switch.
I wouldn't know, though, because, I don't do anything with sprinkler switch.
Yeah. So this will be cool to use. It appears to be used already. That's not going to stop me. So, yeah, that'll be cool to test out on a system here we have. I'm probably going to build a sprinkler mount. So, yeah. Let's put this over here. We got 3 more devices in here. Here's our first one. Here we go. It's a ZNS Hornstrobe in white by Siemens. That was apparently the EOL. So, yeah, this is really cool. I don't have any ZNSs, and of course the white ones are like 10 million times better than the red ones, so yeah.
Agreed.
And then our second device is, and you probably saw his unboxing of like 50 quintillion of these on his channel. This is another ZNS in white. This is a remote strobe, so it's like a ZRS. And then I believe this third device should be, if I can get it open, a third ZRS that's quite a bit dusty. But yeah, so these are really cool to add to my collection. And I think I'm going to take this one since it has some thick paint on it. I'm going to take the strobe out and replace my E50 strobe that's busted with it. So that'll be cool to do. I might make a video on that. But yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to that one because I knew one of them was going to be gutted.
yeah, definitely. So I'll probably test it out, though, before I put it in the E50.
Yeah,
so,
they all should be working. I think I tested them if I didn't, like, accidentally put a different one in the box.
Yeah, you're fine anyway. You didn't have to send me all this stuff. But anyway, yeah, big thanks to 405080. Go subscribe to his channel. Make sure you get me to 100 subscribers before him, of course. So, you know, maybe hold off for like a week if it's necessary.
Just don't.
But why? So anyway, yeah, big thanks to 405080 for all this stuff. Go check out the video on his channel of him unboxing stuff I sent him. And I think that's it. So, peace out.
Yeah.